everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a review video on 3 products, and 3 of these are from the brand Body Shop, and these are basically body lotions and body butter. So I'll be talking about each of them one by one, and so let's start with the review of these products. The Body Shop has got the best body lotions and body butters ever. I love using all the body lotions and body butters of the Body Shop. Now Body Shop really takes good care of the body, and so let's start with the first product. The first product I'll be talking about today is the Fuji Green Tea Body Lotion. Now I have already reviewed the Fuji Green Tea Body Butter before. If you haven't watched that video yet, I'll put down the link so that you can watch it. And now coming to this bottle, this has got a very nice palm packaging, and the bottle looks pretty good. This is a gel based body lotion and is very light, and it moisturizes really well. Because it is a gel based body lotion, it is very much watery and is very thin in consistency, and this is a very nice body lotion for summers, and this has got a very refreshing fragrance of green tea. And now, as we know that green tea is an antioxidant and is really good for skin, so this body lotion makes your skin really moisturized, and your skin gets hydrated by using this body lotion. This is a 250 milliliter bottle and retails for 545 rupees, but I got it at 50% discount because I had purchased all these products during the sale which was going on long before in the Body Shop's website itself. And there was also another offer in which you purchase something around like if you purchase 3 products you get 25% off. The offer was something like that. So the next product is the White Musk Smoky Rose Body Lotion. This body lotion is much thicker in consistency than the Fuji Green Tea Body Lotion, because this is a gel based one and this is a bit much more creamier than the other one. The bottle looks very pretty and the fragrance is to die for. It has got such a beautiful smell of a rose, and I have been using this White Musk Smoky Rose perfume before, and this is my first purchase of this body lotion of the White Musk Smoky Rose range. I love the fragrance of the Smoky Rose, and if you want your perfume to last longer, what you can do is you can apply this body lotion and then spray your perfume, and the fragrance will last for long hours. And this is this has got this you have to press it here so that your bottle opens this way. This is a 250 milliliter bottle and it retails for 1295 rupees. This is the Body Shop's Olive Body Butter. This is a very moisturizing and nourishing cream body butter, and it has got this really refreshing and mild fragrance of olive oil. This says that it gives 48-hour ultra-rich moisture for very dry skin with cold pressed olive oil from Salento, Italy. So this contains cold pressed olive oil, and olive oil is also good for skin, and this is again a 200 milliliter pack and it retails for 1045 rupees. This is a very good body butter, and this is ideal to be used in winters because skin gets very dry in winters, and body lotions do not work good because of their thin consistency, and body butters are much creamier, so they work really well in winters. So that is all for the review of all these products. I hope you find them helpful. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.